Say all that again.
Hello, I am Punk, and this is Destry, and welcome to Jackass, Female Edition.
Just kidding, we're lame.
We're really lame.
Sorry, we have no game plan.
I don't know, we could make faces for...
Juice.
Yeah.
Call me a sweetheart.
I'm so vain.
Hang on, guys, I'm gonna take a selfie.
That was selfie taking skills.
You're terrifying.
Hey, bull.
I was gonna say want to kiss, but okay.
Bobby Singer.
It's not plugged in. What the fuck happened? Oh.
Hey. How are ya?
Pretty good. I don't know. Oh man, what is going on? Is that my phone? Yeah. Why is there a thing to that, man? Holy shit. Shitballs, man. Don't die.
Oh, fuck.
We're so loud. Get it.
Oh.
It hurt. Got between you wanted from me. This is embarrassing.
I hope nobody ever watches this.
Brennan.
That means you. And if your name is Brennan and you're not actually the Brennan we're talking about, then you probably shouldn't watch this.
No.
So weird. Especially if you're attractive.
Mm.
Because this is not.
Okay, not when you do that. Juice. I am juice.
Hey, you guys want to see how big my mouth is?
Do it.
Remember, gotta.
Mine fails in comparison.
Okay.
Terrifying.
Ah.
Ooh, get hit though. Is your jaw like unhinged?
Uh-huh.
That's creepy.
Awesome.
I can't do that. By the way, we're not looking at you. We're looking at ourselves, but it looks like we're looking at your crotch.
What are you talking about? I am.
Sorry to make you feel uncomfortable.
Prolonged eye contact.
Into the other part. Doesn't really matter.
Prolonged eye contact.
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 I give up.
You're weak. We're not lesbians.
Mm-mm.
She has a boyfriend.
Mm-hmm.
I'm single.
Holla. Holla at her. She's hot. Look at her.
That's backwards? No, it's not. Oh, that was embarrassing. think I'm gonna end this.
You know?
Love you, babes.